Alright, we're going to put together this Lego City Kit we got for Christmas today. Time to unbox it. It should be a pretty quick build here. Pretty simple. So let's get into it. We'll need part bag 1. That's a given. Put the little Lego character together first, they say. Okay. That's pretty easy. I think we can do that. Oops. I think I put it on upside down. There we are. Now you can watch us put it in together. Step 2. Okay. Recognize step 2? That's just this part. Now we need this part. Good. And then this one goes on here. Pretty simple so far. And 2 of these. They're supposed to be white. Oh, okay, they're white. 1 here. 1 there. And this and that. Two of these go here. Two of these go here. Only 92 pieces, so I guess that's for both cars. So it looks like about 41 pieces each, 47. Alright, this one right there. Right there. This guy. Quick steps. This one goes on here. It's like so. And oh, we don't even have to put the stickers on this time. That makes it easier. Williams. Is that a famous race car driver or something? I wouldn't know. Okay. This step is just to tilt that up. Oops. Don't skip any pages. This one goes on here. And this here. fun little Lego kit. I like these quick ones. Okay. That's what we got so far. It goes on there. Easy enough. Best part about Legos is putting the kit together. Not as interesting once you get it all together. It just sits on the shelf. This is the fun part. And for the wheels, I'll just snap in together. Let me give you extra pieces again, in case you lose it. Okay. Snap all the wheels on. Alrighty then. And our little guy can go in the car. Alrighty. And there it is. Part 1 together. Part 2 is the same thing. Step 2, I mean, book 2. If you want to watch me do that one, stick along, hang out. Same exact thing, just do it twice. Make it nice. Put the guy together. Red and blue. Interesting color pick. Alright, he could sit here and watch us put his car together while we put the kit together here. Alrighty, same thing again. This time red instead of white. Red instead of blue. Okay. Yeah, easy putting together things here. Flying right along. What does that say? Yeah, hands, pass. Okay. Such small pieces. Okay, that goes on there. This holds it all down. And this makes it look nice. Now for the wheels. That means we're just about done. Put all the wheels on. Okay. And we're done. That's it, folks. There we go. We got our 2 race cars. Well, that was a fun little build. Thanks for watching. If you stuck to the end, I appreciate it. Looks like they gave some extra pieces here. But yeah, that's a cool little build. Kind of cool. Lego City Cat. We'll see you later.